What are you gonna do? What are you doing down there? Are you laughing? Hey. You laughing? You so funny. Are you running now? Oh yeah, run. You're pretty loud. You like laughing, don't you? Oh, get serious. You better get serious. Oh no, you gotta laugh again. Yeah. Oh.
Daddy's funny. Oh, where'd you go, Daddy?
Hey!
There's Daddy.
Hey! You're acting crazy. You exercising?
Whoa, that is loud.
You're exercising, aren't you?
Yeah. He's wiggling all by himself. Whoa.
Hey, you knocked
Oh,
that.
you hit it twice.
You did that by yourself.
Yeah.
Whoa.
You done smiling and laughing? You done?
Gonna laugh? See, now I'm done.
I'm done. I'm gonna be serious. Oh, wait.
Are you gonna laugh at me again?
Whoa.
No, I don't know what that was about.
I don't know either. I'm not funny anymore. Getting his exercise in though tonight. Okay, so bye-bye, Linus. Say, how old is he today? 11 weeks and 2 days. Bye-bye, Linus.